Hello everybody, I am back with another video. In this video we talk about turning off the fingerprint and other smart lock temporarily. For example, during your sleep or any other time for extra protection, and also lock your phone using Google voice command for extra security. Let's get started. First of all, open Play Store and search for screen off. In the first result you get screen off and lock. Install this app. It is freely available in Play Store. After that, open this app, click on OK, and again open this, and this asks to activate device administrator. Activate this. Success. This installed two app called screen off, this one screen off, and the top screen off and lock. In this screen off and lock, this is configuration for this app. You can set here delay time, screen off animation, and you can uninstall it from here. After that, this is the main app which locks our screen and disable fingerprint and other smart sensor. Look, when I normally lock my phone, I'm going to lock my phone. Look, face scanner is running and face scanner didn't find my face, so I use fingerprint for unlocking my device. My device get unlocked without password. After that, I'm going to lock my device through this app called screen off. Simply click here in this app. My phone is locked to the screen lock app, and look, the face sensor is not reading my face and fingerprint also not working. When I swipe up, it asks for password and device administrator lock device, so I cannot use any smart locks, so I have to type password for unlocking my device. This is handy in many situations, such as your friends can unlock your phone with the help of your fingerprint when you are sleeping. So this app is for you. And another one, you can also activate this app. You can also lock your phone through Google voice command. After that, you can lock your phone through your voice only, and no one can open your phone through your fingerprint or face. You should use the password to unlock your device. For that, we should go to Google app, and go to three line and go to settings, and go to Google Assistant settings. After that, swipe down and go to shortcuts and add a shortcut here. When I say what do you want to say to activate the lock, for example, lock my phone, and you can return another phrase here, and Google Assistant should open the screen lock app. So type here open screen off, okay, and save it. After that, go to Google settings and go to voice, and click on voice match and turn on say okay Google at any time, and unlock with voice match. You can unlock your phone with voice also. You can turn simply on this, and it asks for passport or fingerprint. I give fingerprint here, and unlock with voice match. Okay, I can also unlock with Google voice match. Now you can say okay Google anytime and lock my phone, and simply it locks your phone.